guys, today I have a surprise for you. It's in my boot. Hi guys, today we are going to do the opening and review of the Raleigh Evo Electric folding bike, which comes with 20-inch wheels. We bought the bike from Halfords for £1,349. One thing to mention is that it comes with free bike build when you collect it in store. Currently, due to the pandemic, you need to collect it from your dedicated collection slot. The simple folding mechanism enables the bike to be stored in less than a minute to a convenient 880 by 800 by 440 mm size. So, if you want to simplify your commute, take your bike on holiday, or just have limited storage space, the Evo could be the bike for you. As we did a click and collect from Halfords, when we went to collect it, it was already set up with the battery in place, and also it came with the key for the battery hold, the user manual, as well as a battery charger along with it. So guys, we will see how long it takes to set the bike up and get going. They say it takes less than a minute. We've got a minute on the stopwatch. This is in the folded state. First, you need to make the shaft straight. Both the tires were connected with a magnetic hold. This lever you put in place to ensure that the whole frame is made firm. You should hear a click. Next, you put the pedal straight by pressing onto the lever inside the pedal. You do the same for the other pedal, after which you lift the bike handles, then the lever on the handle and pull it back until you hear another firm click. Stop the watch. As you can see, we were done in less than a minute. Bye! Here I have taken out the battery, so I am able to show you how it is put in. As you can see, I slot it in and it comes with a unique key just for this bike to slot it in and lock it in place. When I press the button on top of the battery, you can see that how much charge is left within the battery. So as you can see over here, that the battery is being charged by the charger over here. The wattage is 244.8. The Raleigh, with its lowest mode of assistance under average conditions, you can expect an assistance distance of 30 miles. There are 4 modes of assistance available, and also one thing to mention is that apart from the 4 modes, there's also an additional mode which is like the walk-by mode, so it just walks along with you. So if you're going or transiting through a place where you can't ride the bike, you can take it with you and the bike will assist you with the walking also. Guys, this cycle has 8 gears in total. Normally you can keep it between gear 3 and 4 for day-to-day normal usage, but if you're really cycling fast and the road's open, you can use 7 and 8. It also has a display on the left hand side. This shows the mode of assistance you are taking from the battery while pedaling. So you can try between modes 1 and 4 depending on the road and terrain you're experiencing, and after 4 there is a mode which is walk assist. So basically when you're walking, the cycle will just walk along. Also in this cycle you will see quite a cool little bell, so that's a cool feature to have. These are the brakes here, so yeah, that's pretty cool. So while the system is on, the integrated lights also turn on, which adds safety as well as visibility on the road for other motorists and road users. This model comes with a 2-year warranty on all electrical components. So it provides you a peace of mind, so you don't have to worry, because this isn't very cheap, even though it is quite reasonably priced compared to the other electric vehicles out in the market. This still is an expensive piece of equipment which you will own and use on a day-to-day basis. The Evo's battery has a 250 watt capacity. To support the sophisticated motor and battery system, this model comes with a smart control system, also known as BMS, that protects the battery from overheating, short-circuiting, or overcharging. This bike comes with an 8-speed gear. So one thing to be mindful about this is, just like you would in a car or another vehicle, you shouldn't change the gears while not in motion. The total travel distance will depend on the capacity of the battery, rider and luggage weight, power mode setting and riding style. So in the UK where I'm based, the Raleigh Evo Electric Bike comes with free build, unlimited lifetime safety checks, as well as lifetime guarantee on frames and rigid forks. The height of the bike, for reference, is 5 feet 5 inches to 5 feet 9 inches, which is around 165 to 176 centimeters. This bike, the Raleigh Evo Electric Folding Bike, uses the TranzX electric bike system and features a rear wheel motor to achieve smooth power delivery. The bike is fitted with a speed sensor which will automatically engage while you pedal to provide assistance. Or alternatively, you can ride it as a normal bike with the assistance turned off where it's not required, and you can really feel the difference while you're pedaling with the assistance and then without the assistance. Now we are going to discuss the top 5 pros and cons of the electric folding bike. If you're sharing the bike with the other members of your family, especially if seat adjustment might be a little bit difficult, because what I've found is it doesn't go too low. So for shorter members of the family or for a certain group of people, the seat might not be in the correct height initially. However, you are able to take the seat fully out, and if you know someone who works in a bike shop or a bike mechanic, you can cut off the metal part from the bottom to make it more adjustable. Also with this bike, I wish it had front or rear suspension, because on rougher roads, I would say it is a bit bumpy. The bike is not very compact when you fold it up. The magnets, which are meant to hold both the heads of the bike together, when folded, aren't very strong, and you would require, I would say, a safety strap to keep it secure during transit. It also doesn't naturally stand up when folded either, so you need to be careful you don't scratch it. This is something I was a bit concerned about, because as with any expensive product you would buy, you would really want to look after it and make sure it stays with you for the longest. And this bike, once folded, if you try to stand it, you really have to put it in place, otherwise it might roll over or fall down, so you really wouldn't want that. The steering of the bike is sensitive and not the steadiest at high speeds. So now coming to the positives, I would say the bike is easy to ride, easy to fold and easy to store away. Compared to other electric bikes available in today's market, it is relatively cost effective, I would say, because while buying this bike, I've seen bikes which were 2,700, 3,000 pounds in worth, which is quite steep to buy a power assisted bike in my opinion. This bike has great build quality and its operation is very smooth. With its low step-through frame, it is easy to mount and dismount if you have restricted movement. This bike comes with a bell, front and back lights, mudguard, kickstand and luggage rack, which is great because barely any bikes by default in the United Kingdom comes with a mudguard or a stand. So I was really pleased when I found this feature. Also, if you're someone like me who likes who cares for the environment, likes to be environmentally friendly and does not believe in long journeys for manufacturing and things, this bike is manufactured and produced entirely in the UK, in Nottingham, England. So that's another great thing for some of us who are concerned of this aspect of the product. So it's not coming from the other part of the world, from China or somewhere else. It is made wholly in the United Kingdom, locally made and locally shipped. So it is something which might mean significantly to some of us. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it useful, and do like, share and comment your thoughts, and do let me know what you think of it. Are you thinking of buying an electric bike? If you're thinking of buying an electric bike, do leave your comment down below and I shall respond with my thoughts, because I've been in the same place trying to look into the market, research different bikes, you know, what I could find within my budget, which was around 1400 pounds. So do let me know your thoughts, and I'll try my best to help you out with my suggestions, with my experience, and also anything you want to know about this bike, any queries or doubts you might have, please feel free to get in touch. Thank you guys.